Good morning students, welcome to my accounts class. Today I will teach you about valuation of goodwill. First of all, you should know when is goodwill valued. Goodwill is valued at the time of admission of a partner, retirement of a partner, death of a partner, or when there is change in the profit-sharing ratio among the partners. There are four methods to find goodwill. First, by average method. Second, by super profit method. Third, capitalization of average profit method. Fourth, capitalization of super profit method. So today I will discuss with you average profit method and super profit method. From your accounts book, open to page 2.18. I'll explain to you the first question on average profit method. It says the goodwill of a firm is valued at 4 years' purchase of average profits of last 5 years. The profits of the last 5 years were 2014 2 lakh, 2015 losses 3 lakhs, 2016 4 lakh 50,000 which includes abnormal gain of rupees 50,000, 2017 3 lakh 50,000 profits after charging or debiting abnormal loss of rupees 90,000, 2018 profits of 2 lakh 60,000. Find the amount of goodwill. First of all, question number 1, you make 4 columns. The first column represents your year column. Second column, profits or losses during the 5 years. Detailing, add or subtract from the profits to find the corrected profit, the last column, total column. First year is 2014, profits of 2 lakhs, no adjustment. 2015 losses 3 lakhs, bracket denotes losses or deduction. 2016 profits of 4 lakh 50,000. There is abnormal gain which must have been credited to PL account. Abnormal gain is a non-recurring gain which should not be credited to PL account, so it has to be deducted. So less abnormal gain of 50,000 gives you correct profit of 4 lakhs in that year. 2017 profits, there was abnormal loss of 90,000 which must have debited to PL account. It is a non-recurring expense, it should be added back. It comes now 4 lakh 44,000. Then we have 2 lakh 18,000, 2018 profits of 2 lakh 60,000. The total profits now when you add and subtract 3 lakh comes to 10 lakhs. Therefore, average profits, the formula is total of profits divided by number of years gives you rupees 20,000. Goodwill will be 20,000 into 4 years of purchase gives you rupees 80,000. We have a category under average profit method called weighted average profit method, which is a modified version of average profit method. Under this method, each year's profit is assigned a weight or given importance. The highest weight is attached to the profit of the most recent or current year. Thus, if profits are given for 2015, 16, 17 and 18 and weighted average profit is to be calculated, then the weights assigned will be as follows: 2015 1, 2016 2, 2017 3 and 2018, which is the most recent year, 4. Thereafter, each year's profit is multiplied by the weight assigned to it in order to find out the products, and the total of product is then divided by the total of weights in order to calculate the weighted average profits. The weighted average profit is multiplied by the agreed number of years of purchase to find out the value of goodwill. Let us apply this in question number 5 to understand how to ascertain weighted average profit method. Open to page 2.20. The profits earned by a firm during the last 5 years were as follows: 2013 80,000, 2014 1 lakh, 2015 1 lakh 10,000, 2016 1 lakh 50,000. Calculate the value on the basis of 3 years purchase of weighted average profits. Weights are to be assigned as 1, 2, 3 and 4 respectively to the profits for 2013, 2014, 2015 and 2016. Now we will solve question number 5. The first column is year column, second is profits, third is weights assigned 1, 2, 3, 4, then product, that is second column into third column will give you the product. The years are 2013, 14, 15, 16 respectively. The profits are 80,000, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 10,000, 1 lakh 50,000, and the weights assigned are 1, 2, 3, 4. When we multiply, we will give you the product as 80,000, 2 lakhs, 3 lakh 30,000 and 6 lakhs. You will add the third column, that is weights, which comes to 10. You will add the product, which comes to 12 lakh 10,000. First you will find weighted average profits, that is total of weight, product of the weights divided by total weights gives you 1 lakh 21,000. Then goodwill will be 3 years' purchase into weighted average profit gives you goodwill of the firm 3 lakh 63,000.